Yes, man.
If you never know something about me, know this, I love cake. And some people don't like cake, I don't know, but you know what I mean, that's okay, that's alright. And whether you love it or not, I think we can both agree that we never knew that cakes could come in so many different forms. And I'm talking about how they look. When I was younger, as far as I know, cakes were either round or square. And if you really want to impress people, you stack them for one another. People 4 cake on top of one another. And you would usually go a wedding, go see them thing there, right? But it seems like over the years we've had an upgrade of cakes. Yeah man, all in a 2022, yeah? It seems like anything can be cake. A chair, a bag of nuts, a bucket with rag, basketball, watermelon, camera, an electric kettle, wall, lobster, one hand, buckets of paint, a pot of spaghetti, one alligator. Now if me go with them a baker yard, it is only right that I assume that everything in their house is made of cake. You know, like with the Hansel and Gretel story, when they pull up on the house and the house just make out of food. I said it, I don't remember, I know, but I suppose it's there you go. And they start them people in place. An important question is, why do we need cakes in all these different farms and all them something? Because at the end of the day, we are going to just cut them up and devour them like savages. Based on the details on some of these cakes and how they can just fool the eye with ease. And a little bit of time people spend to make them. Hours of work, fee get slapped away in a matter of seconds. And no matter how it look good, if a Jamaican people are serve it to, you better make sure you say it tastes just as good. Because you go hear about it. It did look good, but it never tastes nice. Too much egg.